So the Aertos platform doesn't fly like a normal GPS drone. You don't have the magic anchor that says, here's where I'm supposed to be, and it will hold that position at all costs. This works a little bit differently. We do something in our intelligent behaviors where we're watching the pilot and what the pilot is intending to do. We call this empathy filtering, and you can think of it like a constant adjustment to the environment in which the drone is flying. For instance, if we happen to have a crosswind on the drone, over time, the pilot will be flying with the right stick, for instance, in one particular position to compensate for that wind. As time goes on, we'll be able to bring that back to center, and the drone will sit there and lean into the wind. It's incredible to see. It's just amazing. And so even through yaw, as we yaw the drone, it will maintain perspective of where that wind is coming from. It is absolutely amazing. So as it moves out of that wind, we'll have to watch the pilot adjust the drone once again. The software is watching what the pilot is intending to do, and ultimately you'll be able to bring that stick back to dead center. We call this empathy filtering. We're watching what the pilot is meaning to do and actually compensating for the environmental factors that are affecting the drone's flight. So as we are flying, the goal is to constantly bring that back to center for stable, steady inspection or capture of imagery, etc. So as we're flying, we're constantly adjusting. The software is watching, and be aware of that as we do our first flight and establish our first stable hover.